Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Poppy Mustika Sari. In according with the assignment on health condition in a rise and I caused the heart disease. Heart disease is still the number one killer in the world. According to the last finding, this disease was the cause of a third of death in the world in 2019. The number of deaths also continues to increase. China had the highest number of deaths from heart disease in the past year. Other countries that rank below are India, Russia, United States, and Indonesia. However, countries such as France, Peru, and Japan have the lowest mortality rates from heart disease, 6 times lower than in 1990. According to research, each country needs to create cost-effective public health program to reduce the risk of heart disease through behavioral and lifestyle change. During the period of 1990 to 2019, heart disease cases nearly doubled from 271 million of 523 million cases. Then the death rate in that period also increased from 12.1 million to 18.6 million in 2019. Most deaths from heart disease were attributed to ischemic heart disease and stroke. Of the number that due to heart disease worldwide, which was obtained in the year 2019, namely 18.6 million, more than 6 million that occur in people between the age of 30 and 70. The findings were published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology on December 9. Cardiovascular disease, especially ischemic heart disease and stroke, and the main driver of disability and increased health care costs. The global pattern of cardiovascular disease has significant implications for clinical practice and public health policy development, said study led author Dr. Gregory Roth, professor of cardiology at the University of Washington, Seattle, USA. Thank you.